Right now, Claude Code is quietly burning your money. And it is not because you did anything wrong. It is because of 7 settings that are on by default the moment you install it. On some plans, the default puts you on a model that costs up to 5 times more per token than the task actually needs. If you pay per token on the API, that is real dollars. If you are on a max or pro plan, it is your usage limit draining days early. Same 7 leaks, same 7 fixes. And the first one takes about 10 seconds. Here is the honest part. Most videos skip. These are not bugs. Claude Code ships these defaults because they favor quality. The best model, full reasoning, everything loaded. That is great when you need it. It quietly bleeds money when you do not. So this is not Claude Code is broken. It is you are paying for a Ferrari to go get groceries. Let us plug all 7. Biggest leak first. Number 1 and the biggest lever by far. The model you are running. Opus costs $25 per million output tokens. Sonnet is 15. Haiku is 5. That means the heavy model can cost up to 5 times more per token than a lighter one for tasks like renaming variables, writing tests, or fixing a typo, where you would never notice the difference. And here is the catch. On Max and API accounts, the default is the expensive Opus. On Pro, it is Sonnet. Most people never check. The fix takes 10 seconds. Type /model Sonnet for everyday work. Drop to /model Haiku for trivial edits. Save Opus for real architecture and hard debugging. You can even set it permanently in your settings. Right model for the job, not the priciest one for every job. Number 2, never resetting your context. Every message you send resends the entire conversation so far. 50 messages deep on a task you finished an hour ago. You are paying to reread all 50 every single turn. It compounds silently. 2 fixes, both built in. When you switch to an unrelated task, type /clear. It wipes the conversation, but keeps your project memory. And mid-task /compact. Summarizes everything so far into a tight summary and keeps going. You can even focus it. Claude Code auto-compacts when you are near the limit. But doing it yourself, proactively, saves the money before it is spent. Number 3, burning thinking tokens on tasks that do not need thinking. Here is what most people do not realize. Reasoning tokens are billed as output tokens, the most expensive kind. And on a simple task, deep reasoning is pure waste. The control is the effort level. Type /effort low for simple mechanical work. Bump it to /effort high only when you are planning or solving something genuinely hard. And for one deep push, without changing your whole session, just put the word ultrathink in your prompt. That single word triggers extra reasoning for that turn only. Match the horsepower to the problem. Quick pause. If this is saving you money, 90% of the people watching have not subscribed. Hit that button. It is free and it tells me to keep testing this stuff so you do not have to. Okay, back to it. 4 more leaks to plug. Number 4, a Claude Markdown file that is quietly enormous. This file loads into context every single session automatically. So every extra line you pile in, full style guides, giant API specs, walls of instructions, you pay for on every request forever. The fix. Keep it under 200 lines. That is the target in the docs. Move all that reference material into skills, which load on demand, only when they are actually needed, instead of sitting in context all day. Check what you have got with /memory. A lean Claude Markdown is one of the easiest permanent wins there is. Number 5, MCP servers you connected once and forgot about. Now, good news first. Claude Code got smarter here. It no longer dumps every tool's full definition into context upfront. It defers them and loads on demand. So the old horror stories about MCP eating thousands of tokens, mostly fixed. But every connected server still carries overhead, and unused ones are pure waste. Run/context to see exactly what is eating your window. Then run/MCP and disconnect anything you are not using. If a plain command line tool does the job, prefer it. Zero context cost. Number 6 is the sneakiest one, silently breaking your own cache. Claude Code caches automatically. When it works, repeated context costs about a tenth of the normal price. Huge. But the cache only holds if the beginning of your request stays identical. The moment you flip models mid session, change your effort level, or run compact, the cache breaks. And you go from paying 1/10 back to full price. So the move is simple. Pick your model and effort at the start of a task and leave them. Do not flip settings mid flow just to experiment. One quirk to know: the cache is tied to your working directory, so parallel sessions in different folders do not share it. Stability is the whole game. And number 7, the one that ties it all together. You cannot fix what you cannot see. Most people have zero idea what they are actually spending. Claude Code has a built-in command. Type/usage. And it shows your token counts, cost estimate, and even the breakdown by skills, subagents, and MCP servers. On Pro and Max/usage credits lets you see your balance and set a monthly limit. On the API, set a hard spend cap in the console. Check it. That is the whole fix. But if you want to really see where the money goes, there is one free tool that does it beautifully. It is called ccusage. 16,000 stars on GitHub. And it reads Claude Code's own local logs to show you exactly what you burned by day, by model, by session. One command: run ccusage. No sign up. Nothing installed permanently. Look at that. A per model per day breakdown of real spend. The leak made visible. That is the before and after. Flip these 7 defaults, then run ccusage in a week and watch the number drop. So, 7 leaks plugged. Write model with /model. Reset context with /clear and /compact. Dial effort with /effort. Trim your Claude markdown under 200 lines. Cut dead MCP servers with /MCP. Keep your cache stable. And watch it all with /usage and ccusage. None of this makes Claude Code weaker. It makes it efficient. Same power, a fraction of the cost. I put all 7 fixes, the exact commands, the settings, and the ccusage setup into a free 1-page cheat sheet. Comment the word burn, and I will send it straight to you. If you want to go deeper, my beginner Claude Code guide walks you through the whole setup from scratch. And if this saved you money, do me one favor. Follow Hyper Automation Labs on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Because I test this stuff, so you do not have to. One tip: watch my videos at 1 1/4 or 1.5 speed. You will get through them faster. See you in the next one.